Ever feel like your crypto is scattered all over the place? Different exchanges, various wallets, a tangled web of keys and passwords? It can be a real headache, right? You're not alone. Navigating the world of digital assets can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to actually use your crypto in the real world. Think about it. You've invested in these exciting new technologies, but how often do you actually tap into their potential for everyday transactions? Paying for a coffee with Bitcoin? Splitting a bill with Ethereum? It often feels more like a futuristic fantasy than a current reality. That's where things get interesting. What if there was a way to simplify all of this? What if you could hold your various cryptocurrencies securely in one place and actually use them easily, just like traditional money? Well, that what if is becoming a reality, and it's called Tangem Pay. Now, you might be familiar with Tangem as a company known for its sleek, secure hardware wallets. Think of them as the physical guardians of your digital assets. Tangem Pay takes that core security and convenience and builds upon it, aiming to bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds of finance. At its heart, Tangem Pay is a feature integrated within the Tangem Wallet app. It's designed to make using your cryptocurrency for everyday payments as seamless as possible. Imagine walking into a store, selecting your desired cryptocurrency within the app, and with a simple tap of your Tangem card, completing the transaction. No more fumbling with QR codes, copying and pasting long wallet addresses, or worrying about network fees eating into your purchase. The beauty of Tangem Pay lies in its simplicity and security. Because it's built upon Tangem's existing hardware wallet technology, your private keys remain securely stored offline on the chip within your Tangem card. This significantly reduces the risk of online hacks and unauthorized access compared to keeping your crypto solely on an exchange or a software wallet connected to the internet. Furthermore, Tangem Pay aims to support a variety of cryptocurrencies, giving you the flexibility to choose which digital asset you want to use for a particular transaction. This is a significant step forward in making cryptocurrency more practical for everyday use, moving beyond just being a speculative investment. Think of the possibilities: paying for groceries with Litecoin, buying a movie ticket with Dogecoin, or even splitting the cost of dinner with friends using a stablecoin, all with the same level of ease and security you're accustomed to with traditional debit or credit cards. Of course, the adoption of Tangem Pay, like any new payment technology, will depend on merchant integration and user adoption. The more businesses that accept cryptocurrency payments through platforms like Tangem Pay, the more useful and widespread it will become. However, the potential is undeniable. Tangem Pay offers a glimpse into a future where using cryptocurrency for everyday transactions is not just a possibility, but a convenient and secure reality. It takes the power of decentralized digital assets and puts it directly into your hands, simplifying the process and lowering the barrier to entry for using crypto in the real world. It's about making your crypto work for you, not just sit in a digital vault. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.